Division continues to enjoy a reduction in criminal activities as it relates to murder. For last year it was 13, this year is 5, a reduction of 8, sir, with 62%. As it relates to criminal activity, crime reported, last period 102, this period 50, a reduction of 51%. We are resolute in our effort to reduce crime in this parish to make Manchester a safe place for the residents to live and enjoy themselves.
The last time I got a report on Manchester, you were doing very well and you are continuing to do well. But there was some concerns being expressed, my recollection, about the party promoters and persons who have their round robin and bingo, because there was an impact from the use of earlier in the year SOEs and then curfews. What's the impact of these now?
Sir, at this moment there are no curfew in the parish, sir. But what we are doing, we are monitoring all these hotspots. We are targeting the criminals with targeted raids and our regular patrol and other activities. The area, we now garner the confidence of the people and they are giving us information. So we are now a giant community-based policing division, sir, with people and the police.
So with a little bit of sacrifice on the part of the citizenry in terms of cooperating with the police to ensure that the measures can be in place, people can now enjoy their community in peace.
Exactly, sir.
Exactly. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Keep up the good work.
Blessings, boss.
Very good.
Welcome back.
How are you, Mama? I see your cup. Very good.
Oh, yes.
Are you working?